ghetto. But this is way too expensive. So I'm not going to get, that's really expensive. Does anyone have rims in here? They're pretty darn expensive, aren't they? Yeah, so I got the cheaper ones. These are $500 a piece. Relatively speaking, these are really cheap. Anyway, we're going to solve for this. So how much, I have 3 cars. How much is this going to cost me? I have 3 cars.
500 tons sold.
I hear a couple. Okay. So now I hear a couple correct ones. All right, now.
6,000.
Now wait till everyone's silent. Thank you for. So the people that said 6,000, the people that can do the mental math real quick, that you're right. But I want to show you what you did structurally in your brain without realizing it or not. This is what we're going to use the rest of the year. Dimensional analysis. I'll be asking you these steps the rest of the year. And so now you'll be able to put on paper, and you'll be able to cancel out units. Instead of using cars and wheels, you'll be doing how many grams. If I use 15 grams of sodium, how many grams of sodium chloride will I end up with? At the end of the year, you guys will be able to figure that out. And it'll be using this. So although this is simpler, it's good if you're going to use it all year. So the first step, I wrote them all up here for you. So whenever I ask you a question, reference that. It's fine. That's why I put it up there for now. So the first step 1, start with the given over 1. So in this case, 3 cars is my given. I have 3 cars. How much is it going to cost? So 3 cars, and I didn't put over 1. So just imagine there's a line there with a 1. 3 cars over 1. The next step, bring units down and make conversions. You have to bring the units down. So I'll say, where do these units go? And you'll say, they go down. That's all I want you to say. Cars just comes down. Cars. That's it. Only units. Notice how I did not bring the number down. Just the units. Then you make conversions. So everyone obviously knows 4 wheels to 1 car. For most cars, it's 4 wheels to 1 car. That's a conversion factor, which everyone just takes inherently. They already know that. Next step, just bring the wheels down, bring units down. Wheels come down, 1 wheel to 1 rim, obviously. And the last one rim brings down to rim. It's $500 per rim. Each of these are a conversion factor. So yes, we'll be using like milliliters to kilometers, milliliters to meters, but it's the same idea as this. The third step, cross units out. Can anyone on this side of the room tell me what units they think might be crossed out? Yeah, Tatiana. Cars? Why cars? Why do you think we cross out cars? I see some hands up, so I'll get to you guys, but I want to try her first. They're both the same, and where are they in relation to each other? Across and up and down, too. Brian, what were you going to say? Same thing? Why can we cancel them out, though?
Because you want to be talking about the wheels. We need the wheels.
And the wheels. Why can I cross off wheels?
No. We can cross out car wheels and rims.
What? You're exactly right, but why? Those are the 3 we're going to cross out, but why?
There's only 1.
Wait, so I'm going to stick back to this side, but you're on the right track. You're exactly right. Jaquarius, thanks for waiting.
You don't need the rims. The cost of the rims.
Oh, I'm just asking, why can we cross these out? So I can cross out these 3.
They cancel each other.
Because you only need the price.
You only need the price. That's what the question's asking for, so that's the only unit you don't care. And I heard it over here, so just wait next time. Thank you for participating. But you can cancel these ones out because they're on top and bottom. So Brian was dancing around it, Tatiana was dancing around it. So cars and cars, wheels and wheels, rim and rim. So thank you for raising your hand and waiting. Thank you. Okay. Okay. So on top, the last step, multiply across, then divide. You want to multiply across first. So on top, 3 times 4 times 1 times $500. Multiply across, that's easy enough. So everyone that did it in their head, that's exactly what you did. Didn't realize it. And then always multiply across on the bottom as well. 1 times 1 times 1. So that obviously it's not going to always be 1s on the bottom, but for now it is. Then the last step, divide. $6,000 divided by 1, $6,000. So for every single one of you that says $6,000 after figuring it out, This is just putting a structure to your thought. You already know how to do dimensional analysis. It's just making it look like this on paper. Because when it gets a lot more complicated with grams per sodium chloride, per moles of sodium chloride, per atoms of bromine, you'll need this. This will help you so much. So this structure you need, even though it'll be a lot more complicated. Okay, so now I have a cool Kool-Aid truck with sweet rims. Bang, bang. my computer editing makes work. Okay. But now I want you to take out that blue sheet. This is the last thing we're doing today. I want everyone on this blue sheet, pen in hand, ready to write. Or pencil, yeah. Pen or pencil. So you notice on the top, kilo, centi, milli. We're not going to talk about these right now, but is anyone in cross country? So how far do you